40 open houses a year. This is common for me because that's the minimum number of open houses I do every year since the last 8 years since I got my real estate license. And I do this because for two reasons primarily. Because I can speak to the market. That's the buyers who are coming into the open house. They educate me. The buyers I respect a lot because they go to at least 30 open houses before they actually figure out that that's the particular house that they wanted. That is one. Secondly, I get to speak to the neighbors in the area, and the neighbors are the real local experts, not any website or data aggregator, or not even a local realtor, because the neighbors know more about their neighborhood than anyone else. These are the two primary reasons I do that many open houses, and also generates my buyers and sellers in waiting. And that really helps with the speed of the sale, and generates a ton of open house people who sign in, who also get valuable information from me through their emails. Thank you. This is Robbie Thomas with Realty Experts.